Hi guys, I'm in my 2009 Mini Cooper and talk about the sunroof. So basically, a lot of people love the panoramic sunroof, but they're not crazy about the sunshade. So basically, when you close the sunshade, you it doesn't really block out a lot of the sun. So one of the things I saw online on Amazon, and I think it was only about $6, was some insert shades that you can put in here. I saw other people put tint on here. So I was crazy about that because I do like to let the sun in when I want to. So let me show you what I got. There's two of them. They come with these bags. I stuffed them both in one bag for now. So let me pop them out. Yeah, here they are. Okay, here they are, and one side's silver and one side is black. Sorry, my phone was overheating. So basically, I'll leave the silver side face up toward the sun to reflect as much as you can. So let me go ahead and pop that in, and let's see how they work. So that's what they look like when they're in. It's black on this side and silver on the other side. Completely blacks it out and doesn't let the sun in. Pretty much covers it pretty good. We're stepping around the corners a little bit, but that's because of the little metal thing that goes around. It has to have radius bend on it, but that's pretty good. One thing I learned is you got to make sure you pull this back if you're doing this, because if you don't, you actually damage your sunshade. I'll show you what I did to that, which I will have to do another video on how to fix that. So basically, if you try to use this sunshade when this thing is pulled back and you want to insert it in the crack here, you'll accidentally shove it in here, and it takes the glue, detaches it. It's actually like stuck on there, glued on. So that explains when I bought it in the car used in in February. This side was already in the back side was already detached, and I was trying to figure out how to reattach that. And most likely they had some kind of sunshade that they actually damaged there, and I did it to the front. So I'm gonna buy some glue, figure out how to attach that back on. So these do okay. Not crazy about them, but I think I'm gonna, in the long run, I'll try to find something else better. Maybe actually change this out to a different type of darkening fabric or something once I figure out how to take out the sunshade. But in the meantime, if you want to black it out, don't want the sun come in, get these. They're really cheap, and they fold up into this little tiny bag when you don't want to use it. So good luck, and make sure this is open when you use those, otherwise you'll damage the sunshade. Good luck.